Yeah, so that was a cold start of this thing. Yeah, my dad pretty much didn't understand me because, you know, I like started the video and it was cranking, but it only cranked for about 20 seconds and started. So, you know, kind of surprising. Yeah, ran pretty good. Nice low idle. Let's see if I can get started again. Yep. Click of the key, you know. Listen to that idle. Sounds nice. Pretty sweet. I was surprised. A little smoky when it first starts, but yeah. Usually it doesn't burn any oil, really. You drive it around for a while, you check the oil, and it's still good. Surprised how fast that thing started. Cranked for like 15 seconds and started right up. It's pretty cold. It's 35 degrees right now, so pretty cold, I guess. Yep. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Bye.